In order for you to connect your AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy M17e, you're going to open up the Settings app. Then from here, you're going to tap on Connections, and then you're going to select Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is currently turned on, and then you're going to go ahead and put your AirPods in pairing mode. Now, for me, these are the older models, so I have a button, but if you're using any of the newer ones, you'll know to long press on the LED button, until you enter pairing mode. So go ahead and just put your AirPods in pairing mode. Once they're in pairing mode, they should be detected by your M17e. Select the option Scan, like so, and wait for them to be detected and select them. Once they've been connected after confirming the pairing process, you should now be able to use your AirPods to listen to any audio coming from your Samsung Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.